Alright, Sheldon, do your thing. Come on, dude. Do it.
All Sheldon Costa ever wanted to do was take a normal poop. But all his life, constipation had been his greatest enemy. Coming this summer comes the story of one boy and his quest to end constipation. It will take him to distant lands, and he will make many great friends. But he will find at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much fiber you have, it's all about friendship.
Is this Sarah Van Doris? Yeah, that's the funniest one.
Sarah Van Doris was never very popular until she became a polar bear, and she found out that sometimes life can be ice cold. Coming this summer is the story of one girl, or should we say bear, and her path towards womanhood.
What the fuck?